So bam.
Let's pick it up like 4 notches. How do you enter the Tower of Danger? Bronze knife. Draw the
Ends in the middle of the back row.
snakes and foxes game. Bonus points. What is this? Triangle, square with a swirl. Triangle. That's half of bonus points.
All right, so hold that thought. So how long have you guys been reading?
5 years.
So it's relatively fresh in your mind.
15
Yes.
years.
All right, there
Well,
you go.
I'm rereading it too, so.
Very good.
I read 15. I've been reading them since they came out.
Actually, 19 years.
Yeah, I think I started on the second book.
Yeah.
How about you guys? How long you guys been reading?
Say like, is it Thursday? 11 years. So about like,
I got my first one, my 13th birthday, so
Very cool.
last year.
Very cool.
I've got progeria, so probably last book for me.
Okay, this is by far the hardest question I made. Rand's advisor, Captain Swade. She has 8 hair ornaments. Let's see where this is going. 5 have known uses and were stated in the book. Name those 5, what they look like, and what their use is.
Oh.
bird on flight points to someone using the power.
You got 1. That's 1.
Is one of the crescents a well?
There is a well, so that's like half a point.
Star?
You're naming all the pieces, but not the actual one. Here's a hint. It flaps its wings really fast.
Hummingbird.
All right, like that hint.
So, hummingbird, that is a well. A swallow, which detects one channel, one power being channel, and points to it. 3 more. I'll give you a hint. 2 of them have to do with the individual halves of the true source.
Detecting use of cyanide.
Yes.
Are those the crescent and the star?
Yes. The intertwined gold crescents. Cool when Sidar is being channeled, a la Matt's Amulet. And the 8-pointed star vibrates when the Sidar is being channeled. There's one more, and this should be the most intuitively obvious, guys. Sorry. It's something a lot of you guys that are just kind of tooting around now. They used to be like rare and scarce. Make them stronger. Power.
Angrills?
Yes. There's a bird that is an hungry owl.
Right.
And she has 3 other ones that she doesn't know what they do.